Alright, so ito na po. Buksan na natin. So what's inside? Meron tong dalawang battery packs. Alright, so yun muna. And we also have the cable. Alright, so this one is USB. And yung other side is Type-C yata to. Alright, mukhang Type-C nga. For Android camera. So, pwede mo yatang gamitin to sa camera mo rin. I mean sa cellphones. Alright, so good addition. And also yung charging dock ng ating battery. Okay? So, yeah, Wasabi power. And this is rated at with an output of input niya is 2 milliamps. Output niya 600 milliamps. Okay, so 600 milliamps. So siguro mga 2 hours siguro mag-charge dito yung bawat battery. So open natin yung isang battery. Alright. Ito po siya. So this is the Wasabi power. Maganda mga reviews nito online. You can check it sa Amazon. And yeah, this one is 1,100 milliamperes with 7.2 volts. Alright, so versus ito yung ating extra LPE12 battery. Okay, set natin side by side. Alright, so halos parehas lang talaga siya. Okay, parehas. And they fit both sa ating charger. So yung Canon, it does have 875 milliampere at an output of 7.2 volts. Ito naman, again, 7.2 volts, 1,100 milliampere. So if ililess mo yun, merong mas mataas ng 100 or 225 milliamperes more itong Wasabi power. Okay? So, yeah. Check natin to sa Lazada. Murang-mura to. 1.7. 2 piraso na. Eh, ang retail ng Canon, 2.5 yata. 1 piraso nito. So, 1.7. 2 piraso. May charging dock. May cable. 2.5. Brand new. Higher milliampere. Lower. So, it's up to you. I guess, praktikalan na lang. 2 nito. Pwede na as extra battery. Alright, so let's see how it charges. Sakto siya. And then yung port. So I see there's a 2 LED light here. Kabit natin sa laptop. Yung USB ng laptop. Alright, it's in there. And also i-plug natin to dito sa likod. Here you go. Alright. So, kulay pula. So, it means they are both charging. Now, I think magiging kulay green to kapag full charge na yung isa sa kanila. Okay? So, yeah. Ito yung ating short review sa battery pack ng Wasabi power. Alright? So, ito pala, magi-green siya. Na-test ko na siya kanina. Magi-green once full charge na yung battery. So, you can unplug the battery once it's already on green. Okay? So, yeah. I guess that's the short review sa ating Wasabi power. And if you want to get more updates and reviews from our channel, subscribe kayo. Hit nyo yung subscribe button and yung bell dyan, notification bell para updated kayo as soon as we upload a new video. Okay? Again, it's me, Aaron of Team Red Ninjas. Thanks for watching.